everyone! Welcome back! Quiz Helper here with a new video for all of you quiz lovers. Today I bring to you some of the best and free sound effects for all of your YouTube quiz videos. This includes timers, dings, whooshes, bubble, and cork pops. All of these sounds can be found on freesound.org. Before we begin, I would like to thank everyone for helping my channel reach 5,000 subscribers. I wouldn't be able to do this without all of your support. With that said, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now I will list some of my top 5 sounds in each category. Are you ready? Let's go! And there you have it. My top 5 sound effects in each category. But don't take my word for it, go check out freesound.org for yourself. Also, if this video gets 50 likes, I will upload these sound effects to a Canva template for subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.